What's up, everybody? Tweaker Dave here. Got another one for you. And I promise to make a very good effort to post this one as soon as I get done recording it. Because I've been recording them, but haven't been doing so well on posting them, which is kind of the purpose. So here we have the 2000 Olds Brevada Platinum Edition. Looks very platinum to me. Yeah. And like many other ones that we've had recently, the motor's already knocking very substantially. You can see the oil has been filled to the correct level. Maybe now it has, maybe it wasn't before, and they heard the knocking start and decided to put the right amount of oil in it. Or it has something to do with that. It overheated somewhere along the way and cooked the oil inside of it, and they continued to drive it. Oh yeah, that looks wonderful down there. Yeah. Anywho, yeah, and then that's what caused the rod bearing to wear out, because I believe that's what it is that is wrong with it. I'll go ahead and give it a little start and see maybe motorheads out there if you. I think it sounds great. It should go to the car lot. Absolutely. So this is the 4.3 Vortec V6, which of course, like to say, is already knocking, and we're going to take it for a real quick spin back here in the yard and see how long it lasts. My guess is not very long. Let's find out. Look at that, only 106,000 miles too, so sad. Oh shit, almost backed into the tow truck. Don't hit my Malibu. Alright, off we go. All we're gonna need is first gear, so we have all these nice mud puddles back here. Oh my god, why is somebody gonna call me now and try to fuck up my video? Oh, it's got some kind of smart traction control bullshit. Where is the button? Button, where's the button? I don't see one. Oh, that's gay. Not that gay's a bad thing. Sorry, don't need to be using it in that manner. Oh, Jesus. No fucking traction control. Fucking retarded. Why do they fucking build shit like this? Stupid. Service engine light soon started. Stay on. February 10th. Yeah, whatever. Nobody cares. Piece of shit. Windows work though. Nice dash cover. Gotta get that. Found about 75 cents in it. That's always good. But that's about it. Okay. No CDs in the changer. Yeah. Smart track. That's what our problem is right here. So what we need to do, well, the ABS light is on, so it shouldn't have any traction control. Though I don't see any traction control light. Well, I suppose we'll just try it anyway. Actually might have a little longer to go than I thought, because at higher RPMs it doesn't seem to be knocking as loud. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely knocking at a lower RPM. Oh, full tank of gas too, definitely need that, or $5 a gallon gas. Thanks a lot, somebody, Biden, somebody, whoever the fuck's doing it. A little bit of tire spinach, but not much. Yeah, it's definitely got some kind of freaking no fun. I can't stand that shit. Stupid traction control bullshit. Maybe we'll just sit back here and redline it on the floor then. Kill it that way. Try a little neutral drop. Yeah, it's a piece of shit. Seems like it gets some RPMs in neutral though. So that's a plus. And I think we're going to do it up here because we need to stay close to a water hose just in case. Second wind. There it goes. Uh-oh. And we have fire. Push it out of the fire. Okay. Wow. That's a lot of motor on the ground. Good golly. Holy shit. Let's see what we've done. No fire in here, that's good. Always a good thing when it's not on fire in here. Looks like we have a gaping hole in the side of the block over here. Yeah, we're gonna have to get her up on her side to see the damages. Look at that! Wow. We'll be needing to get the cleanup kit to clean this oil up. Wonder if she still cranks. Nope, sounds like it locked up. Yep, it definitely locked up tight. Okay then. Push it on up and see what we got. Fucker. Fucking bitch. Oh, that was smart. This thing literally caught on fire when it flipped it back up. That's amazing. And that'll be the end of that. Wow. Look at that shit there. Holy fuck. Now that's a motherfucking hole, boy. I don't think we've had one do that kind of damage yet. Holy shit, man. You can see the entire fucking crankshaft. Yeah. Sir, that motherfucker there blew up, boy. For those of you who've never seen, that's the inside of your engine. Oh, I see why it won't turn over anymore. Got a piece of the rod jammed in there. You literally knocked that thing out of there and it'll probably start back up again. We might even try. Who knows? Well, anyway, we already climbed up to 13 minutes here on the video, so I'm going to go ahead and shut it off at a flat 14. So, yeah, there you have it. That's the Oldsmobile Brevada Platinum Edition. Very platinum. Until next time.